Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel. This is Azhar with you. I'm gonna make some breakfast for me and फिर साथ साथ हम कुछ बात कर लेंगे. This is a very brand new channel, you can say. So I'll put this here. मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कैमरे को एडजस्ट करने की, सूटेबल प्लेस पे इसको रखा जाए ताकि व्यू अच्छा. Right. So I'm gonna make some breakfast for my kid, for my child. जी तो गाइस यहाँ पे जैसे ही मैंने फ़ोन को ठीक तरह से रखा है तो फिर स्लिप कर गया. As you know, this is my very first vlog, so I'm not very expert in these things. Very slippery place. So I hope this sets there for a while. So yes, where were we at? I'm gonna make breakfast for my son. He's on vacations nowadays. There are school holidays, so he's at home. I'm gonna make paratha with egg for him. जी पराठा और अंडा बनाने लगे हैं. I'll get some dough. Yeah, we had this leftover dough, yesterday's leftover dough, so I need to wash my hands. I have washed my hands. What do you say? Squeaky clean. Let's make a paratha for him. That's the dough, yesterday's leftover dough, so it's okay, it's not that old. I'm just trying to shape it. Meanwhile I will. यहाँ पर मैं रोटी को बेलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, पराठा गोल करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ और काफ़ी हद तक नाकाम रहा, बिल्कुल भी गोल नहीं बना सका. तो देखते हैं कैसा बनता है. गाइस आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं कि आप में से कितने लोग like here I'm talking about dads, fathers, कितने हैं जो अपने kids के लिए breakfast ready करते हैं. So I would love to hear that. I'm not very good in making goal paratha, but this would do, I'm sure. Oopsie. Yeah, I'm sure this would do. So let's turn on the flame. We need to clean the tawa. तो तवे को साफ करते हैं. आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये कौन है. So tawa is also clean. Nowadays they say, again they are back to the desi ghee, so they say this is very good for health. So what I'm gonna do is add one spoon of it. I'll add 1 spoon of desi ghee. So here I'm gonna add this much of ghee. I will show you in a minute the shape of my paratha. Yeah, that's not very round shape, but as long as you can cook it properly, it's okay. Yeah, just never mind. Tawa is getting warm. Meanwhile, I'll get the plate. There you go. A plate for paratha. I will put some butter paper on the plate So guys, yeah, you must be thinking, who is this guy just appeared on YouTube and making a, yeah, my name is Azhar. Yeah, so जिंदगी थोड़े अरसे से I was stuck actually. I am stuck actually, but let's hope for the best, inshallah. I just thought that unless I start something, I do something, things are gonna stay the same. So I thought, why not give it a go? Let's make new friends, new circle. So guys, this looks like this, you see. So I think it's not bad. Let me show you. Yeah, this is the shape, guys. That's how it looks. So I'm gonna add some ghee again, and I will show you how. This is just to let you know that this is my very first vlog on my YouTube channel. Yeah, this is a very new start for me. If I stuck somewhere, please don't mind, because I'm very new to these kind of things. I was very camera shy. I am still camera shy. You know, जिसको कहते हैं कि बहुत कम go. I usually don't have words to talk a lot, but I will try to get along. Pray for me, inshallah. Hi, buddy.
Let's see how low I can get. 3, 2, 1. Are you counting?
I'm not counting, but I am watching. Wanted me to see his techniques with the football, so I just recorded that. Here is the thing with the paratha, guys. You can tell me how I can make it better, make the shape better. So how should I be cooking this? So I'm not an expert. So guys, this is the final. I cooked the paratha like this. I know I can make it a lot better, but I'm improving. I will improve. I'm trying egg for him. Yes guys, so that's how my day started, and I'll try to tag along you guys with me, and we'll see how the days move on and how I progress. So we'll keep you guys with me. So जी guys, नाश्ता हम कर चुके हैं, तो I'm gonna make some dough for dinner evening. So let's start it together. What I gonna do? How do I make a dough, like atta kneading thing? I add 1.5 cup of water in 3 cups of flour. So today I don't need that much big quantity of dough, so I think I'm gonna take, yeah, but let's make it for 3 cups. It's okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna make a dough for almost 3 cups. I will take 3 cups of atta flour, and I will add a little more than 1.5 cup of water, or maybe will reach to 2 cups of water. तो चलिए बनाते हैं. 1 cup 3 की ही बना लेते हैं, फिर कम ज़्यादा का चक्कर. Second, and this one is third. What I will do, I will add some yogurt as well today. Yeah, so I'm gonna add some yogurt in 3 cups of water. I do, I would add almost 3 spoons. Yeah, here. 2 and 3. 3 spoons of yogurt. Added salt. Here you go. Okay, so this our machine has a lot of sound. I don't know other machines sounds a lot as well like ours. So आप बताएं कमेंट्स में कि जो दूसरी machines हैं वो भी क्या इतना ही sound करती हैं. I'm looking for, I was looking for this thing. Oops, just got out from the dishwasher. So yeah, I was looking for this thing. So आप लोग बताएं आप लोगों की भी dough making machine जो है इतना sound करती है. My dough making machine sounds a lot. I don't know why, if this is correct. यहाँ पर आटा गूंदने वाली मशीन की बहुत ज़्यादा आवाज़ आ रही थी. मैंने तकरीबन 2 कप ऑफ वाटर ऐड किए एंड फिर उसका काम करने दिया. 3-4 मिनट में ये तैयार हो गया. गाइस, मैंने थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे ऑयल ऐड किया, मे बी 1 टेबल स्पून. स्टिक हो रहा था आटा, तो आई थॉट बेटर टू ऐड सम ऑयल. बहुत आवाज़ थी तो इट्स वेरी वेरी अनोइंग, तो मैंने उसको बंद कर दिया. Feels like it is soft, but I can इसको बाद में ठीक कर लेंगे. Never mind. जी मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ, देखें. Yeah. So this is soft, नरम है, and we'll add some flour and it will get better. जी गाइस, नाश्ता किए हुए ऑलमोस्ट 1 आवर हो गया, तो मैं अभी दिस वन आई एम गोना गिव इट टू माय सन. सो ये उसको खिलाता हूँ. लेट्स सी, इज नॉट वेरी लाइक अ गाय हु लाइक्स योगर्ट, सो आई एम गोना ट्राई. लेट्स सी. जी तो गाइस, नाश्ता कर चुके, थोड़ा सा दही खा चुके, थोड़ा सा फ्रूट खा चुके. तो यहाँ पर मेरे पास थोड़ा सा चिकन मैंने निकाला है. फ्रोज़न चिकन क्यूब्स हैं, इसको मैंने मैरिनेट किया है. थोड़ा सा मैंने इसमें चिकन पाउडर डाला है, गार्लिक पाउडर, जिंजर पाउडर ऐड किया है, थोड़ा सा रोजमेरी ऐड किया है, एंड अ पिंच ऑफ अ ब्लैक पेपर. So I would leave it for a couple of hours like this, and then I will cook this for my son, inshallah. Hello guys, I just took very warm shower, feeling very nice now. So I think I'm gonna make some tea for myself. Stay with me. I think I'll make ginger lemon tea for myself. थोड़ा सा मैं ginger लूँगा, like see this much. Yeah, that would be enough. इसको peel कर लेंगे. और ये जिंजर के स्मॉल पीसेस में पानी में डालूँगा. आई थिंक आई विल ऐड couple of garlic cloves as well, and थोड़ी सी एक here it goes in the water. Please don't follow my recipes. I'm not a chef or somebody like who can advise on this. I'm just sharing my routine with you. Yeah, 2 cloves of garlic. इन 2-3 दिन काफ़ी बारिश और तूफान रहा, तो आज बड़ा अच्छा सन है. Once it is like boiled, then I will add half a teaspoon, आधा चम्मच शहद का, और like half lemon would squeeze into it. I will enjoy my tea. As I told you guys earlier that this is my very first vlog and I am even not sure that I'm gonna upload it or no, and I haven't decided about the name yet. Here I am, yes. अभी तक नाम भी decide नहीं किया. You guys can help me in deciding the name for my channel. You can leave your comments or give me an advice. What should be the name of the channel? It's not something cooking channel. It's just a normal ordinary guy channel. I'm gonna check on my tea. I think it is ready now. Yeah guys, my tea is ready now. तो अभी चाय पीते हैं, enjoy करते हैं. जी गाइस, तो अभी वक्त हुआ है चिकन टिक्का, पैन चिकन टिक्का बनाने का. सो मैरिनेटेड चिकन को मैंने निकाल लिया है. मैं इसको थोड़ा सा स्मॉल पीसेस में करूँगा. दीज पीसेस आर लाइक दिस, यू सी. थोड़े से बड़े हैं तो आई विल मेक स्मॉल पीसेस. हाथ धो लिए हैं once again, so I'm gonna make small. Idea is to make it a bite size so the kid can eat it easily. And while cooking, we need to make sure that we don't overcook it. That is a big challenge. That's always a big challenge for me while making chicken tikka and chicken tikka. If you have a better recipe or some better technique to cook chicken tikka in the pan, please do share with me. So this size. जी तो गाइस, पैन ऑलमोस्ट गर्म है. अब मैं पैन में एक चिकन डालूंगा. तो गाइस, पैन मैंने गर्म कर लिया. यस, पैन इज ऑलमोस्ट hot now. Need this cover as well. So I'm gonna put the chicken in the pan. पैन में मैंने तकरीबन 1 टेबल स्पून ऑयल ऐड किया. अभी मैं इसको थोड़ी देर पकने दूंगा, 2 to 3 मिनट as it is. फिर इसकी साइड चेंज करेंगे and then we cover it for another 2 to 3 minutes and it will be done inside. जी तो गाइस, आफ्टर 2-3 मिनट मैंने इसकी साइड चेंज की है और अब मैं इसको कवर कर दूंगा for another 2 to 3 minutes. So I will let it cook for next 2 to 3 minutes. Guys, your tikka is done, alhamdulillah. So I'm gonna give it to my kid now. Hello guys, tikka is being served. Inshallah he would enjoy it. I think आज का व्लॉग यहीं पर एंड करते हैं. I really don't know आई एम गोना अपलोड दिस और नो। अभी तक मैंने चैनल का कोई नाम भी नहीं डिसाइड किया। अगर आपके पास कुछ राय है, इफ़ यू कैन एडवाइज सम नेम फॉर द चैनल प्लीज़ डू सो। खुश रहें जहाँ भी रहें, अपने बुज़ुर्गों का ख्याल रखें। टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज़।